How is artificial intelligence revolutionizing the way businesses operate today? Indeed, the integration of AI into the business world is not a distant sci-fi fantasy, but a present reality. Businesses of all sizes and across industries are harnessing the power of AI to drive innovation and efficiency. In today's digital age, data is the new gold. AI shines in its ability to analyze vast amounts of data, gleaning insights that can drive strategic decision-making. It's also playing a pivotal role in automation, freeing up human talent to focus on more complex tasks. Moreover, AI is transforming customer service, providing personalized, round-the-clock assistance. And when it comes to decision-making processes, AI offers predictive capabilities that can help businesses anticipate market trends and customer behavior. As we delve deeper into the topic, we'll explore how businesses are successfully implementing AI into their operations. Stay tuned as we bring you real-world case studies and practical tips on leveraging AI in your business. One of the world's largest online retail giants, Amazon, is a prime example of successful AI implementation. Amazon's journey with AI is a testament to the transformative power of this technology in the business landscape. In the vast and complex world of online retail, Amazon uses AI to make sense of the enormous amount of data generated by its millions of customers. The company leverages AI for predictive analysis, which is a game changer in their strategy. By analyzing past shopping patterns and browsing behaviors, Amazon's AI algorithms can predict what products a customer might be interested in next. This results in highly personalized recommendations, creating a tailored shopping experience that keeps customers coming back for more. But the magic of AI at Amazon doesn't stop at customer engagement. Their warehouses, or fulfillment centers as they're known, are a marvel of automation. Robots whizzing around, sorting, stacking, and packing products, a dance of efficiency orchestrated by AI. This automation reduces the time it takes to process an order, which in turn speeds up delivery times. And speaking of delivery, Amazon's ambitious drone delivery project, Prime Air, is another testament to their innovative use of AI. The company envisions a future where drones autonomously deliver packages to customers in less than 30 minutes. This might sound like science fiction, but with AI, Amazon is turning it into reality. The impact of AI on Amazon's efficiency and customer satisfaction is undeniable. Through predictive analytics, Amazon can anticipate customer needs and wants, leading to increased sales. Automation in their warehouses not only reduces overhead costs, but also increases the speed and efficiency of their operations. And with the aim of AI-driven drone deliveries, Amazon is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in logistics and delivery systems. Amazon's use of AI demonstrates how it can streamline operations and enhance the customer experience. The company's success story serves as an inspiration for other businesses to explore and embrace the potential of AI. It shows us that with AI, the possibilities are infinite and the benefits substantial. Let's pivot to the financial industry, where American Express is using AI to fight fraud and analyze consumer behavior. In an age where digital transactions are the norm, security is paramount. American Express, a multinational financial services corporation, is harnessing the power of artificial intelligence to safeguard its customers. How, you may ask? Well, the company deploys AI to detect unusual spending patterns that could indicate fraudulent activity. Imagine this scenario. An American Express cardholder who usually shops in New York suddenly makes a large purchase in Paris. This abrupt shift in spending behavior would trigger the company's AI system. The system, having learned the cardholder's typical spending habits, recognizes the transaction as potentially fraudulent. It then takes immediate action to prevent any financial damage, either by blocking the transaction or alerting the cardholder. But that's not the only way American Express is utilizing AI. The company is also using this revolutionary technology for predictive analysis to understand consumer behavior. By analyzing a customer's spending habits, preferences, and past interactions, American Express can predict their future behaviors and needs. And what's the benefit of this predictive analysis? Personalized services. American Express can offer tailor-made solutions and recommendations to its customers. If a customer frequently dines at Italian restaurants, for example, American Express might suggest related offers or rewards. This level of personalization not only enhances the customer experience but also fosters customer loyalty. In essence, American Express's use of AI is a twofold strategy. On one hand, it's a powerful tool for ensuring the security of transactions. On the other, it's a means of understanding customers on a deeper level, allowing the company to provide a more personalized and satisfying service. What's important to note here is that AI isn't just for tech giants. It's a versatile tool that companies across industries can utilize to improve their services and operations. In the case of American Express, AI is instrumental in driving efficiency and customer satisfaction. Just like Amazon, American Express leverages AI to improve efficiency and customer satisfaction. Now that we've seen real-world applications of AI in business, let's delve into the key benefits that your business could gain from AI. First off, AI can dramatically increase efficiency. Imagine a world where routine tasks are handled by machines, freeing up human capacity for more strategic work. AI can analyze vast amounts of data in nanoseconds, an undertaking that would be time-consuming if not impossible for humans. According to McKinsey, businesses that leverage AI for data analysis can accelerate their decision-making processes by up to 20 times. Next, AI can significantly enhance decision-making. With AI's ability to analyze and learn from data, it can provide insights that humans may overlook. This leads to more informed decisions and ultimately, better business outcomes. A recent study by Accenture revealed that AI could increase profitability in business by an average of 38% by 2035. On to the third point, AI can greatly enhance the customer experience. AI-powered chatbots, for instance, can provide 24/7 customer support, answering queries in real time. Personalized recommendations based on customer behavior can also be generated by AI, leading to a more tailored and satisfying customer experience. Finally, AI can result in significant cost savings. By automating routine tasks, businesses can reduce the need for manual labor, leading to lower operational costs. A report from PwC suggests that AI could contribute up to $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030, primarily through labor productivity improvements. So, to sum it up, AI can increase efficiency, enhance decision-making, improve the customer experience, and lead to cost savings. These benefits are not just theoretical, they are being realized by businesses around the world as we speak. With these compelling benefits, it's clear why businesses are increasingly adopting AI. So, how can your business get started with AI? Let's delve into that. The first step is to identify your business needs. This may seem obvious, but it's crucial to understand the challenges you're facing and the areas where AI can offer solutions. Maybe you're looking to streamline your supply chain, or perhaps you're aiming to enhance customer service. Whatever your needs, being clear about them is the foundation of your AI journey. Once you've identified your needs, the next step is to find the right AI technology that can address these. There's a wide array of AI technologies out there, each with their unique strengths. From machine learning to natural language processing, deep learning to robotic process automation, the options are vast and varied. It's like shopping for a new car. You wouldn't buy a sports car to haul heavy cargo, right? Similarly, you need to choose the AI technology that's best suited to your business needs. Now you've identified your needs and chosen your AI technology. The third step is integrating this technology into your existing systems. This can be a complex process, requiring technical expertise and careful planning. You may need to upgrade your infrastructure, train your staff, or even completely overhaul your operational processes. It's important to do this step right, as it will determine how effectively your chosen AI technology can work within your business. But remember, implementing AI is not a one-time task. It's an ongoing process that requires continuous learning and adaptation. As your business evolves, so too will your AI needs. Regularly reassessing your AI strategy will ensure it stays relevant and effective. Implementing AI can indeed seem like a daunting task. It's like learning a new language or mastering a musical instrument. But with the right approach and tools, it's entirely achievable, and the rewards can be immense. It can help you streamline operations, boost productivity, and stay ahead in the competitive business landscape. Implementing AI may seem daunting, but with the right approach and tools, it can revolutionize your business. So, are you ready for your AI journey? In this digital age, AI is no longer a luxury, but a necessity for businesses. As we've journeyed through the realm of artificial intelligence, we've uncovered how giants like Amazon and American Express harness the power of AI to streamline operations and boost productivity. We've seen how AI can predict customer behavior, automate routine tasks, and even make strategic decisions, freeing up valuable time for human creativity and innovation. These real-world case studies serve as proof of the transformative power of AI in business. Moreover, the benefits of AI are not reserved for corporate Goliaths alone. Small and medium enterprises, too, can leverage AI to drive efficiency and profitability. As we've discussed, implementing AI in your business doesn't have to be a daunting task. With the right strategy and tools, it can be a game changer. As we've seen, AI has the potential to transform businesses, driving efficiency, productivity, and profitability to new heights.